Hey, Dr. Bell here. I wanted to talk about 3 oils today, and I thought I'd share with you guys how to use the essential oil app that I have for free download for you. So, it's something that I really find so valuable. I use this app all the time, and today I want to show you what that experience is from a user point of view. So I want to talk about lemon oil, which is a very common oil, and spearmint, which we often talk about peppermint, but we don't talk about spearmint as much, and tangerine. Another one that we don't really, I think, highlight enough. So we're going to see what we can do with these oils, and I'm going to show you guys that with our app. So the app that I have here is really, really cool. You can look up any of our oils, any of our blends. You can look up supplements. You can look up the dilution chart for those of you who are like, well, how many drops do I use? How do I dilute this? Everything is in here. You can also go through all these amazing categories. Now, if you want to download this, I have a link in the description below, and you can just go and download the app. You can look up any ailment. You can look up stuff on your dogs. And by the way, guys, if you missed my video on how to use essential oils in dogs with the free ebook, it is in my YouTube. So make sure you go and check that video. You can look up babies and children and cooking recipes, diffuser recipes, emotions, men's health, pregnancy, skincare, women's health. There's so much here. Okay, guys, weight release. It's just awesome. I use this app every single day, and I have it for you guys too. So let's do it together. So let's talk about spearmint. We've got spearmint here. What the heck is the difference between spearmint and peppermint? What's the difference, right? We kind of like have all these different kinds of mints, and they all smell a bit different, and they actually all have different therapeutic properties. And so we're going to look it up. I'm not in the right section here. I'm in the ailment section. Here we go. Spearmint. Now, I pulled it up for you guys. It shows you how to use it. You can diffuse it. You can take it topically. You can also take this one internally. Here it is. This is what it looks like, all right? And it's great for digestion. It's great for nausea, which peppermint is good for those things as well. But it's not as strong. It's not as potent. It's a milder, it's softer. I really like it after I brush my teeth. I just kind of put a drop in my mouth and I swish it. I use it like, almost like as a mouthwash. And so it's like my after brush my teeth kind of routine. What I love about this is that it's also full of research. So if you want to look up research, look at that. It has research on what they've discovered so far on spearmint, for example. So it's great for weight management, alleviating ovarian cysts, repelling mosquitoes, calming an occasional upset stomach, but you've got the actual like science-backed research to go and like really find out what they were doing with this and how they found like legit results, okay? So it's a really, really cool app. Spearmint is one that is often used in recipes as well, in drinks. So if you like, experimenting in the kitchen with essential oils, you can use that. Also, it's great with different diffuser recipes. So just check that up in the app. You can download the app for free. Now, lemon is another oil that I really use a lot. Now, spearmint I use a lot in the bathroom. It's really to freshen my breath, and I use it a lot in diffuser recipes. Lemon I use a lot, like on a daily basis in my water. It's great to help cleanse your system, to detox your system, and it's very refreshing and cleansing. I really love it as a natural Goo Gone. So if you have something that's sticky, like a label on a jar that you want to remove and you can't get that glue off, put a drop or two of your lemon and it is going to come off so easily. You can check out everything in you go to oils here, you go to oils, and then you find lemon, you can look it up, and you'll find all the research on lemon and different recipes. And it's just amazing, right? Maintaining healthy cholesterol, for example, combating bacteria, relieving occasional constipation. This is all science that has been done, research that has been done on this oil, as well as uplifting mood. Any citrus oil is going to be very uplifting to the mood, especially when you're diffusing it. So that is our lemon. And then we've got tangerine. Tangerine is really, really great. It's one of many citrus oils that we have. So when you think of citrus oils, these are going to be very uplifting. So if you're feeling down, if you're feeling like you need a little pick-me-up, if you're sad, diffuse, use your citrus oils, okay? This is going to be your friend to help bring your uplift your mood. And so it's very purifying and cleansing as well. And the research on tangerine is really, really cool. They've discovered that it could be great for decreasing inflammation, promoting a healthy heart, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, and reducing anxious feelings. So those are some of the studies that have been done with regards to tangerine specifically. Now, if you have any questions, please reach out, let us know, but go and download the app. It's so cool. I have it free for you. Normally it would be, I think it's $14 US, but I have a special promo code so you guys can download it for free and you're going to love it. You're going to just discover all these really cool things. And if you have any questions, you can actually send me a message through the app. It's really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe and like it and go and download that app.